Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel, Oaks and Company. Also, welcome to my kitchen. I really need to amp up trying to get out 2 videos a week. I can really only get out 1. It is not helping me. I really need to try to get 2 videos out a week. So I was thinking, like, what can I do? And I cook every night, just about. It's very rare that I don't cook something, so I thought, well, I will start doing a cooking video per week and then a cleaning video too. That way I don't get out of my niche on YouTube with the algorithm and everything, and hopefully it won't like throw me off too bad. But that being said, I only know how to cook Southern down-home cooking. So, you know, disclaimers, my cooking is probably not going to be fat-free or low-calorie or anything like that. But it is going to be some yummy Southern food. So, that being said, tonight I'm going to take some soup over to a sick family member, and I thought that I would video it so that you could see it. Tonight we're making homemade chicken noodle soup from scratch. So I hope that y'all enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, share my video with everybody, all that good stuff, and help me grow. I really appreciate all y'all's support that you've been giving me. So let's get to it. Alright, so our ingredients tonight is, of course, chicken breast. You can use any kind of chicken. If you have time to do a whole chicken, which is actually best because it makes the best broth, and cook it down, then that works perfect, but I did not have time to do that, so I'm using some chicken breast tonight, and then some carrots, fresh carrots, onion, and celery, also egg noodles, and then we'll be using this to make some broth with. This stuff's really good, I like it. Garlic, poultry seasoning, salt, and pepper, and I may put a tad bit of cumin in there. We'll just see. Sometimes cumin gives it that like darker flavor, just a little bit of deeper flavor, and maybe some sage, but we'll see. We'll see how it tastes, and then I always judge by that. So anyway, these are our ingredients. So I'm gonna get started. The first thing we're gonna do is start boiling this chicken. To get it, and my brother sent it to me, and it is a multifunctional chopper for my KitchenAid. So I thought, what a better time than to try this out right now, so I don't have to chop vegetables. So anyway, I'm really excited to try this one out, and let's see how it does. Loving this attachment, y'all. This is my first attachment for my KitchenAid, and I think it's just going to open up a whole new world for me, because this is pretty amazing. That it did the carrots very well, and it did the onions really well. Like it just whoops right through them and just, you know, cuts them like a boss. However, the celery, it got real hung up, and I guess because of the strings in the celery, those strings like wrapped around the inside of the attachment, and because it didn't cut those, so like the whole back of the celery was wrapped around the attachment, so it's not good for celery. It took me a little bit to get the celery unhung up, and at points in here you can see me like trying to dig it out with a fork, and I ended up having to take the attachment off and take it apart and dig it all out. But for the carrots and the onions, potatoes, things like that, it'll work really, really great. Thank you, Thomas. I really love this gift. Also, I'll find one on Amazon or ask my brother to send me the link so that I can put it in the description box below if you're interested. I've removed the chicken and left the broth sitting on the stove to boil. So I'm gonna add some garlic, salt and pepper, and some poultry seasoning. And then I'm gonna add those veggies. So while I'm cutting up the chicken to put back in the broth, I'm just letting that simmer and make some yummy, yummy healing broth. I say healing because there's nothing better than just a nice bowl of chicken noodle soup when you are feeling bad. I just realized y'all can probably hear the birds chirping in the background. I cannot get away from them, and I think my microphone is picking them up, so I'm so sorry if you can hear the birds chirping, but there's nothing I can do about that. I got that chicken chopped up and I'm just adding it back into the pot, and whenever you do that, the chicken is cool so it makes it not boil as good, but whenever that hits another really good boil, then I'll add those egg noodles in. I also added about 3 cups of water in there because I didn't have enough broth to cook the egg noodles in. So whenever it reaches that really good boil, I will add those egg noodles. It has to be boiling really well when you add egg noodles, or they won't cook right. They just kind of go limp or something. I don't know how to explain it, but anyway, so I've added the egg noodles and just sitting there and letting those get a real good cook on. This soup is so yummy. It just warms your soul to the core. It is so comforting. It is like the perfect thing when you're not feeling well to eat. I serve it with mini saltine crackers. I don't know why the crackers are better if they're mini, but they are. But if y'all like this video, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. If y'all have any southern foods that you would like to see me cook, make sure you put it in the comment below. See y'all next time.